Okay, so wish you very much happy good morning once again. I'm your Satya Mishra on an SSC institution and a best level institution for you all. One today the session of current affairs series 29th of June. We are back with new episode. Now you will get to see the result of the questions weightage in your examination. Okay, you will see the questions of current affair which candidates really trying the best with maybe classes, maybe academy, maybe group of institution. Those candidates will get to surely, I'm saying, with current affair only I'm talking about. Another more subjects also have, especially current about talking, then very exclusive result you will get to see. You will see the happiness, truth happiness you will find. Okay, so let's start. Today we will talk about 29th of June 2024 current affair. 29th of June 2024 of current affairs series. Okay, we have a motivational quote. Your morning setup, your success of your day. Motivation quote, note down, hashtag your morning, okay, setups the success, set up the success, okay, set up the success of your day, your morning set up the success of your day means morning. One thing I want to tell you honestly, I'm saying honestly means truthfully, honestly saying, one morning you wake, those morning you start with study, morning start with study, you will get to see whole day you will attach with study. Clearly saying that mean morning hour decide our whole day success. In morning you wake up, you use phone, whole day you will use phone. That means the day our decide through our morning. You are looking your morning set up the success of your day. Whatever you will do in the morning time, those will be you do whole day. Clear have or not? So be honestly, be prospective, be positive, be first priority give your study in the morning time. Awake isn't matter 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, 5 minutes, how much minute you have ability, capability, you connect with the study, you get to find, then your morning will set the success of your day. Clear have? Now moving on the number first question, union ministry. Clear? Number first question saying union ministry, okay, union ministry of home affairs is clear, union ministry of home affairs is testing which mobile phone okay, testing which mobile phone application to help okay, application to help record scenes of okay, crime search and okay, seizure in criminal cases. Okay, seizure in criminal cases. Okay, question here saying which union ministry of home affairs is testing which mobile phone application to help record the scene of crime search and seizure the criminal cases. Clear have? So options beta, e-Sakshya, option second saying beta crime क्राइम ट्रैकर, ऑप्शन थर्ड पुलिस नेट, ऑप्शन थर्ड पुलिस नेट, एंड ऑप्शन फोर्थ बेटा सेइंग हियर, ऑप्शन फोर्थ सिक्योर एविडेंस. ओके, सिक्योर एविडेंस here possible have. Okay, right here secure. Okay beta, evidence, this E है beta, secure evidence. Clear have. So beta you are looking question saying Union Ministry of Home Affairs. Okay, Union Ministry of Home Affairs is testing which mobile phone application to help record the scene of crime search and seizure in criminal cases. Options are e-Saksh, crime tracker, police net, secure evidence. So right option will be number first one, e-Saksh. e-Saksh is the application have. Okay, e-Saksh application. Clear have. Okay, so we will have to erase the question for the next question. Clear. Very good. Next question, move on. Question next saying Tapan Kumar Deka, number second have Tapan Kumar Deka. Okay, Tapan Kumar Deka. Clear beta. Tapan Kumar Deka is the director of which Indian, is the director of which Indian. Okay beta, Tapan Kumar is Daka is the director of which Indian organization. Options on your screen have number first option saying research and analysis wing, research and analysis wing, research and analysis wing beta. Clear have. Next question beta saying, one second wait, next question saying beta research and analysis wing done Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, Central Bureau. Clear है बेटा, Central Bureau. Okay, Central Bureau of Investigation beta, investigation beta. Clear have. Central Bureau of Investigation beta. Clear have. Okay, next question what saying beta, next question saying Intelligence Bureau beta, IB, इंटेलिजेंस. क्लियर है बेटा, इंटेलिजेंस बेटा, इंटेलिजेंस ब्यूरो बेटा. अनदर क्वेश्चन बेटा व्हाट सेइंग नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी, NIA, नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी बेटा, इन्वेस्टिगेशन, नेशनल इन्वेस्टिगेशन एजेंसी बेटा. क्लियर हैव. क्वेश्चंस ऑन योर स्क्रीन हैव तपन कुमार डाका. व्हाट नेम हैव? तपन कुमार डाका इज द डायरेक्टर ऑफ विच इंडियन ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. क्वेश्चंस स्क्रीन हैव रिसर्च एंड एनालिसिस विंग. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन ऑप्शन हैव सेंट्रल ब्यूरो ऑफ इन्वेस्टिगेशन. दिस इज कॉल्ड बेटा RAW. And this is called beta Central Bureau of Investigation means beta CBI. Central Bureau of Investigation means beta CBI. Clear है beta. Next saying Intelligence Bureau beta, IB beta. What have? IB beta. Okay, Intelligence Bureau beta, IB. Next saying National Investigation Agency beta, that is beta National Investigation Agency beta, NI beta A. NIA beta. Clear have. Question have Tapan Kumar Daka is the director of which organization beta. So he is the director of beta option number third Intelligence Bureau beta, IB. IB director name beta Tapan Kumar Daka. Clear have. Tapan Kumar Daka is the director of Intelligence Bureau IB. Clear? Have any problem? Move on for the next question. Clear? Can you raise the question? Note down everyone fastly. Very good. Okay. Question next what saying beta, Bharat Lal received an extension. Bharat Lal received okay, and extension okay beta, Bharat Lal, 1 minute. Bharat Lal received an extension 1 year as Secretary General. 1 year as Secretary General okay beta, Secretary General of which habit agency, of which commission have, commission of which commission beta. Clear? Have question saying beta, Bharat Lal received and extension 1 year as Secretary General of which commission beta. Number first option what saying, National Commission for beta, National Commission for, clear beta, National Commission for Child Rights, for protection, okay, for protection of child life beta. Question what saying beta, option what have, National Commission for Protection of Child Life. Next option beta, Central Information Commission beta, Central Information Commission beta, Central Information Commission beta. Clear है beta? Next number option what saying beta, Central Commission for Women, Central Commission for Women beta. Clear? Have Central Commission for beta Women. Clear? Have next option what saying beta, National Green Tribunal, National Green Tribunal beta. Clear? Have National Green Tribunal beta. Clear? Question here saying Bharat Lal received an extension 1 year as Secretary General of which commission beta. Bharat Lal beta Bharat Lal received, okay, Bharat Lal received an extended 1 year as Secretary of which commission beta. Options have here 4. Number first option have National Commission for Protection of Child Life, not child rights है beta. Here by mistake life written, here rights have. What is the rights of the children, child, those everything here have in the first. So option number first will be the right option. Have National Commission for Protection of Child Rights. New General Secretary Commission became Bharat Lal received, Bharat Lal. Okay, clear है beta? Understand? Okay, note down fast. We will move for the next question. Most important questions we will here discuss. Important. Next, it is okay. Question what saying beta, Aditya Birla. Okay, Aditya Birla son, 4th number. Yes, Aditya Birla सन, ओके, आदित्य बिरला सन लाइफ एसेस्ट सन सन बेटा हियर यस यू एन सन है, सन लाइफ एसेस्ट, ओके, लाइफ एसेस्ट, ओके, आदित्य बिरला सन लाइफ एसेस्ट बेटा, क्लियर, सन लाइफ एसेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी हैज, मैनेजमेंट कंपनी हैज, कंपनी हैज, क्लियर बेटा, कंपनी हैज रीअपॉइंटेड क्लियर बेटा, रीअपॉइंटेड बालसुब्रमण्यम, हियर बालसुब्रमण्यम, क्लियर बेटा, बालसुब्रमण्यम एज मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर एंड एज MD, MB राइटिंग, MD एंड बेटा चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर मीन्स बेटा चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव CEO बेटा, चीफ एग्जीक्यूटिव ऑफिसर फॉर हाउ मेनी ईयर, फॉर हाउ मेनी बेटा ईयर्स। ऑप्शंस ऑन योर स्क्रीन हैव, ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट बेटा 1 ईयर, ऑप्शन नंबर 2 3 years, ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा 3 again 3 राइटिंग 4 year, ऑप्शन नंबर फोर्थ बेटा 2 year, क्लियर है बेटा, ऑप्शन सी है। क्वेश्चन वर्ड सेइंग आदित्य बिरला सन लाइफ एसेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी, व्हाट है बेटा, सन लाइफ एसेस्ट मैनेजमेंट कंपनी हुज है बेटा आदित्य बिरला हैज रीअपॉइंटेड वन, ओके, रीअपॉइंटेड बालसुब्रमण्यम, ओके, बालसुब्रमण्यम आदित्य बिरला company have Sun Life Assist Management Company. Those company appointed their MD and CEO. Okay, for how many years to Balasubramaniam? So for appointed for 3 years beta. How many years beta? For 3 years. For 3 years, Balasubramaniam has appointed as MD and CEO of Sun Life Assist Management Company of Aditya Birla. Clear? What is the full form of MD and beta CEO? Clear? Have MD and CEO. So beta MD means beta managing director beta. Understand beta, managing director beta. Clear? Have managing director beta. And beta CEO means beta what have CEO means beta chief executive beta, chief executive beta officer, chief executive officer beta. CEO means beta chief executive officer, MD means beta managing director. So new MD and CEO of beta Sun Life Assist Management Company who became Balasubramaniam for how many years? For 3 years. Matter clear? Have any problem, any candidate? Okay, we are moving for the next question. Most important questions we will discuss here. Note down everyone, fast. Clear? Okay, it is okay. Now question number 5 saying question number 6, yes, 1 second, wait, everyone make comment beta, everyone make comment. Aksha Mohit Kamboj beta, Aksha Mohit Kamboj, आस्था not है बेटा, आक्षा है, ओके, आक्षा मोहित कंबोज, आक्षा मोहित कंबोज हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड, हैज बीन अपॉइंटेड, clear have, Aksha Kamboj, Aksha Mohit Kamboj has been appointed as new as the vice president beta, as the beta vice president beta of which association, of which beta association beta, clear have, of which association, clear have, association name, right? Option number first what है बेटा, Indian Diamond Institute, Indian Diamond Institute बेटा, clear have, Indian Diamond Institute बेटा, clear have, and next saying बेटा second number Indian, one second wait, Indian Bullion, Indian Bullion, Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, and Jewelers Association बेटा, Association clear है बेटा, Association बेटा, clear have, Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association, third option what have, Indian Gold Council, clear है बेटा, Indian Gold Council बेटा, Indian Gold Council बेटा, clear have, and next option बेटा what saying, All India Games, All India Gems have, All India Gems and Jewelry, All India Gems and Jewelry Trade Federation बेटा, ट्रेड बेटा फेडरेशन बेटा, क्लियर है बेटा, फेडरेशन बेटा. ऑप्शंस आर बेटा इंडियन डायमंड इंस्टीट्यूट, सेकेंड ऑप्शन इंडियन ब्यूलियन एंड ज्वेलर्स एसोसिएशन, थर्ड ऑप्शन इंडियन गोल्ड काउंसिल, फोर्थ ऑप्शन ऑल इंडिया जेम्स एंड ज्वेलरी है. ज्वेलरी ट्रेड फेडरेशन बेटा. क्वेश्चन व्हाट सेइंग, Aksha Mohit Kamboj, Aksha Mohit Kamboj has appointed as the vice president of which association? So Aksha Mohit has appointed vice president of Indian Bullion and Jewelers Association. Which association? Indian Bullion and beta Jewelers Association. Clear have? Understand? Note down fast. Note down fast. Okay, clear have? Next we will have to erase this question. For next question we will move for 7th number. Clear? Number 7th question what saying, Paraguay has become, 7th number beta, right? Paraguay has became, okay beta, Paraguay has, okay beta, Paraguay has became the what number member, the what number, okay, what number member to join the, what number member to join the, clear beta, to join the what have here, International Solar Alliance, International Solar Alliance beta. Clear है बेटा. And here saying ISA beta, what है बेटा, ISA International Solar Alliance. Okay, a full member, as a full member, as a full member beta. Clear have? Now options are beta 57th have first, second 75th have, and third 100th have, and fourth beta 25th have. Options on your screen, questions your screen. Paraguay has become the what number member to join the International Solar Alliance ISA as a full member? Clear है बेटा? 57th, 75th, 100th or 25th? Understand, I already taught this question in episode number 26th of June, I think, or 27th of June. 27th of June, this question I taught have. Their side right answer will be 100th place. Paraguay became 100th number member of ISA beta. Full form of ISA beta, International Solar Alliance. Clear have? And this is most important part have. You will have to understand 99th was their side have members, and this Paraguay became 100th number member in an ISA. Okay, clear. We will move for our next series where we will get to see the most essential things. Next, number 8th, Om Birla was elected. Om Birla was elected. Okay, clear. Speaker of which Lok Sabha beta? This question also explained in the brief way I explained this question. Om Birla was elected speaker of which Lok Sabha? Clear have? Options on your screen have 13th Lok Sabha, 17th Lok Sabha, or 18th Lok Sabha, or 20 Lok Sabha. Okay, so Om Birla has elected speaker of which Lok Sabha? So the right answer of this question will be 18th Lok Sabha. This question already explained in 28th of June current affair. Om Birla has elected new speaker of Lok Sabha, and he became 18th Lok Sabha new speaker. Clear hai beta? Okay, note down everyone. We will move for the next series. Understand? Erase. Next number question, what saying? Question hai beta, just a second, give me. 8th number have, yeah, 7th done है, 8th number. The first International Dairy Federation. 8th number. The first IDF. Okay, the first IDF regional dairy meet. First IDF regional dairy meet beta. Okay, year 2024 at what percent? Oh, I'm sorry. Meet was held in which city? Meet was held in which city beta? In which city? Options are beta Mumbai, New Delhi, Kochi, and next is Kolkata. Kolkata. Clear hai? Question saying the first, here first hai beta, the first IDF regional dairy meet was held in which city have? IDF hai beta. IDF full form what have? Firstly this understand. International okay, Dairy Federation beta. International Dairy Federation beta. And for your kind information beta, I taught this question completed. I taught this question in 28th of June current affairs session. So here question saying the IDF regional dairy meet was held in which city beta? So the right answer will be beta Kochi. What है beta? Kochi. Clear have? Understand? Next question will be here saying beta DBS group has clear have DBS group has paced to GDP clear have DBS group has paced to GDP growth estimate beta. Okay, growth estimate for the calendar year clear 2024 at what percentage beta? At what percentage beta? Clear have? Percentage beta. Any problem, any candidate? At what percentage beta? Percentage options here beta 5.5%. Second option here beta 7.1%. And third option here have 6th point beta. 1 second, wait. 6.5 percentile beta. And fourth number beta 7.7 percentile. Clear have? Question saying beta DBS group has paced to GDP growth. Which group have? DBS group. Those paced to GDP growth estimate for the calendar year 2024 at what percentage beta? So the right answer will be second option. 7.1 percentile beta. How much have? 7.1 percentile. Clear have? Understand? Hope you understood very well, and we became able to explain you more good. However, we have thought to make you sure everyone, as per I have making you sure. Hope you like our content, hope you like our given information whatever we have given you everyone. Hope you realize very good with us, and thank you so much. If you feel good, if you feel positive, if you feel very next level, today we have completed 29th of June current affairs session of 2024 series. We will complete 30 June, then we will come in the July, 1st July, 2nd July, 3rd July, as per as you will continuously we will get the videos lecture. For your kind information, we have videos from 20 June beta. From 20 June we have current affair 2024 to till time continuously we are offering you regularly, we are offering you content and series. Clear? We will work on this current affair we will make equal. First of all, first main work is to making the current affair equally. Main my motto have to make current affair equal. Just because today we have remained few 5 2 3 4 have like a 30 have 1 have 2 have 3 session have more, and today we taken 27 28 and 29 3 session taken. Yes or no? If tomorrow not take, then 4 become. If today not take, then tomorrow take, then 4 become. Yes, that's better. Have few complete today, few complete tomorrow. Session I will offer you everyone. Don't mind, don't excuse of anything. So you will get absolutely, you will get next level series session. Clear? So thank you so much. Best of luck. Keep happy. Be smile on your face always. Be smart. Whatever you have planned, you do. Whatever you have, you can prove to everyone. No need to show off. No need to make excuses of anything. Be positive, work on your performance. Best of luck, happy journey. I am your Satyan Misra. Current time, I am here, your director, your motivational speaker, your competitor, helper, and every of thing whatever you feel. So thank you so much. Best of luck. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.